Firstly, I want to come like first to foremost to the people of South Africa. I'm gonna be like giving you a little bit of the permission to you.
Yeah, give him a burst, Nick.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it the burst to you. And then secondly, I'm gonna be like talking on top of the microphone so that can people that like that academy can push the punches all the flickers things that can cause the plan first thing. So all the body that is enclosed and visual to me can be like on top of the first and then called a little bit of a mention and then and the people can be like granular to each other. And thirdly, I'm gonna say be like giving you some little bit of bafooks on you.
Bafooks is very
yeah,
good.
yeah, it's very good when it comes to like
to the balancing
of the mind blown on crystals. So lastly but not leastly, but I'm gonna be like uncrapping to the people that can call the crap inside the garden machine, and then it's gonna be like popping inside your brains. This Mendis Mashy in smooth season, we're gonna be like paving you on top of the league, and then like the second time.